In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track restricted funds in QuickBooks, a crucial skill for any organization managing finances through this powerful accounting software. Whether you are handling non-profit donations, grants, or any other type of restricted funds, understanding how to keep these funds organized can make all the difference. This process, which we'll cover today, is both straightforward and quick, allowing you to focus more on your operations and less on administrative headaches. Let's start by signing into QuickBooks. You'll want to click on the sign in button, which you'll find on the home page of their website or app. This will take you to a screen where you can select QuickBooks Online. This is essential as it ensures you have access to the right features necessary for managing restricted funds. Now type in your credentials such as your username and password to log in. QuickBooks takes your security seriously, so ensure your password is strong and secure. Once you've entered these details, click Continue to proceed. Once logged in, navigate to Settings. You'll find this option typically represented by a gear icon, usually located at the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select Account and Settings. This section is where we configure the settings necessary to track restricted funds accurately. In the Account and Settings menu, you'll want to click on the Advanced tab. It's nestled between other tabs offering different configurations for reports, sales, expenses, and similar categories. By selecting Advanced, you open up more detailed options. Scroll down until you find the Categories section. This is an integral part of the process as categories allow you to distinguish between different types of funds or revenue sources within your organization. Once in categories, look for the option to track classes. This is a simple toggle switch that you'll need to turn on. By enabling class tracking, you can assign specific classes to your restricted funds, making it easier to generate insightful reports and maintain compliance with any financial restrictions. Check the box next to warn me when a transaction isn't assigned a class. This ensures that any transaction entered without a class designation is flagged. Such warnings can help you avoid mishaps in financial reporting, particularly when it comes to restricted funds that require precise tracking for audits and donor transparency. Finally, once you've made these adjustments, click on Save to ensure all your changes are stored. QuickBooks should confirm that your settings have been updated, and there you have it, a seamless way to ensure your restricted funds are tracked meticulously. Accurate tracking allows you to maintain your financial integrity and utilize your resources effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.